Hey everyone, Apple just dropped iOS 18.3, and trust me, this update is packed with exciting changes and smart features that'll blow your mind. While it may not have a long list of updates like iOS 18.2 or iOS 18.1, the features it introduces are nothing short of amazing, especially for those of you with the latest iPhone models. So let's dive into what makes iOS 18 a must-have. First up, Apple Intelligence is now turned on by default. Imagine having AI-powered features at your fingertips as soon as you update. It's like your phone just got smarter overnight. But if you're not a fan, don't worry, you can toggle it off in settings. Either way, this upgrade takes your iPhone experience to the next level. Visual intelligence for events. Have you ever taken a picture of an event flyer and wished you could magically add it to your calendar? Well, now you can. Just snap a photo of any poster or announcement, and iOS 18.3 will instantly recognize the date, time, and location. With one tap, it's added to your calendar. No more manual typing, it's that easy. Identify plants and animals. For all you nature lovers out there, here's something cool. Your iPhone can now identify plants and animals just by snapping a photo. Whether you're hiking, gardening, or just curious about a random flower, this feature is a game changer. Notification summaries, redesigned and smarter. Apple revamped notification summaries, making them sleeker and easier to read. Plus, you can now manage notifications directly from the lock screen. Swipe left on a summary and you can turn it off or bring it back instantly. This update is especially handy for iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 16 users. Calculator gets an upgrade. Guess what? The calculator just got a classic feature back. You can now press the equal sign to repeat your last calculation. Simple, but oh so useful for quick math. PDF screenshot warning. If you're editing screenshots of PDFs, iOS 18.3 now warns you that cropped parts might still be visible in certain apps. A small but crucial update for anyone who values their privacy. Genmoji in Messages. Creating custom Genmoji is now easier than ever. Just tap the new plus button in Messages to design your unique avatar in seconds. Got a HomeKit-compatible robot vacuum? You can now control it directly through the Home app. Siri commands work too, but for now only in US English. For iPhone 16 users, Apple has renamed the AE/AF lock feature introduced in iOS 18.2 to lock focus and exposure for better clarity. Now, when you want precise control over your camera settings, just press and hold lightly on the screen, then continue holding to lock both focus and exposure. It's easier than ever to get that perfect shot. Of course, no update is complete without bug fixes. Apple tackled some annoying issues like the keyboard disappearing with Siri or music playing after the app is closed. Plus, there are new security updates to keep your data safe. So, is it worth the update? Absolutely. Whether it's smarter notifications, AI features, or just a more polished experience, iOS 18.3 has something for everyone. Don't wait. Update your iPhone now and unlock all these fantastic features today. If you found this breakdown helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more Apple updates, and let me know in the comments which feature you're most excited about. Catch you in the next one. Stay tech savvy.